What's the deal, everybody? We out here, ladybird lady. Mike D's joining me. You already know.
I got people trying to wish and pray that I'ma fall about it, all about it till we smoke in person. Don't wanna talk about it now, huh? Oh, you sound tough. Toying with them, don't get wound up. How you wound up? Another number in the round up. Put the town up, I built this thing up from the ground up. And if I bounce up, I get my crown stuck. Green light go, got the east side flow. I'm a giant in the space like fee-fi-fo. All the kids sing along like E-I-O. Every time when they see my shows, thinking that it happened overnight. Yeah, did it. In it for the long haul flight, committed.
Oh, nice.
All right.
That's a good caliber fish, dude.
Yeah, good shot, Michael.
Dude. On the mat over here.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I was pulling
He
it
came
on,
up and bit it?
and then he just
Oh,
on
somebody.
the top of the water. Wow.
Yeah,
That's a
nice
good
fish.
One.
Good deal. Good deal, Michael. Oh, got him. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. Coming to the back. Coming to the back. Come on, baby.
Okay.
Here he comes. Here he comes. He's going that way. Oh my. Oh my. He's a little one. He's a young stud. That's why. There it is. Man, this one looks like he's never been caught. That was his first rodeo. That's a pretty one.
Oh, he's way back there.
Oh, nice, Javi. Wow, really?
He didn't look small.
Is he in the grass?
Yeah.
All right, don't force him. Don't force him.
Keep pressing.
Back up on him. Back up on him. Yeah, back it up. Or turn it. Oh! All right. Oh, bring him right here. Right here. Put him in their basket. Ah, good shot, Javi. Good shot. Bam.
Yeah, boy.
That's a 3.
Like 3, 3.5.
Two and-
2.
2.5, 3.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. He put a good fight, huh?
Yeah.
Ladybird bass. 17 3/4.
You want to weigh him?
Good shot. Good to put it in the gill right there. Go. Go.
I'm not gonna pull it down. Nothing.
All right.
212.
212. 212. See that? Yeah, he did.
Look good, but suck it.
Here you go. Let me take that picture. Good shot, Javi.
Thank you, sir.
She's gonna jump.
The dark one right there.
She's gonna jump. No? She went straight down. Good shot, Javi. Bam. Hopefully we get another one here. Oh, yep, there he is.
Got him?
Yep. Go. All right.
Trying to go from there, man. We're accepting everything.
Ah! Oh, that was a nice hook set, Javi. Come on. Ah! Damn, that was a good one.
I didn't want to hook it because I thought it was kind of like on some grass, and then
Yeah.
I felt him again, and I was like, I didn't
Like, no, that ain't grass.
Oh.
Get him back in there. Oh, he's on there. Oh, he let go. I did it too fucking.
Hit it right.
Ah. He was right there. Come on, baby. Get back on it. You know what? I want to video myself, man. Yeah. Video everybody else. Right there. Here I am. I'm not so handsome as these guys.
Yeah.
You know. That's grass. He's stuck.
It's crazy how much grass is in here.
Good. It's helping us right now.
I love it. That's what I'm saying. I love it. Never had this before.
We get a couple more minutes. If we don't get a bite, we'll move on. Oh shit! I just said that. Get him in here, Michael.
Shit, boy.
Nice. Get the picture, Michael. Yeah, it is. We take that picture.
Prime time right there.
Shot. Oh, I think he's there.
Got him.
Got him. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's a 2.5. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, nice.
Just felt him right away.
Yeah.
Right on the nose. Watch out for that tree stump.
Huh? He's going your way. Come on up here. Quit playing. Ah, shit. Ah. Hold on. He still wants to fight. Get in here. All right. And see, that's why we don't answer phones when y'all be calling. Leave me the fuck alone.
At least with stars.
Damn! Hell yeah.
You hit him right on
I'm finally on camera.
You
Finally on camera.
hit him right on the head.
Huh?
Is it live?
No, it ain't live.
You hit him right on the head.
It ain't live. Ooh! Look at that. Huh?
3 right there, baby.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Real good one.
Yeah, there's that one.
Javi, can you get in there, Michael?
That boy is short.
See if you can get in that frame. We'll extract that frame right there. Me, you, right here. I hope I got it. That's a badass pig right there.
Yeah, they hit it right here, y'all.
There it is. There it is. Find that right angle. There it is. Man.
He hit it right when you threw it, huh?
Yeah.
Good catch.
They're here.
Yeah, they are.
Appreciate y'all guys coming in, joining in, checking out my live. You got him?
He hit it
Oh, he just missed it.
at the boat. I
He
seen
just
that.
missed it at
It
the
curled
boat.
up quick, boy. I was like, man, he ain't
Texas.
come up with the boat.
Austin, Texas. Ladybird
While
Lake.
you were pulling it in.
Yes, sir. It's downtown right there. My boy just missed one. It was at the boat. Oh, he got him. He got him. Man, I gotta put my rod down. I can't even fish. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me reel my line in. Good one, Michael. Let me turn this around. All right. Get him, boy. Fish on. Let's go. Oh, shit. I'm over here slacking. Let me get my net.
I'm slacking. I'm over here fixing my phone.
Ah, got him.
Shit.
Take off.
Ah, 17.25. Huh? Good shot, Michael. Good
It's
shot.
dark over here.
I appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, you got her? He's on. He's on. Oh, we get the net. Let me turn this motor off. All right. And we were about to leave from here. Should we go back?
No, I'm beating the bank.
Huh? All right. Let me get him in play.
I was just casting while we're eating.
That's 8. Oh, good one. shot, Michael. Oh, there he is. Got him. Got him, guys. Oh, you should have seen him jump. Hold that camera up on him. Oh, watch that wall. All right, got him. Got him. Look at that. With grass. Hold on, we're going to the village here. You got it? Yes, sir. Yo, got him again. Got him again. Yo. You already know. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, he did that flip. There he is. There he is. Get up here. Get up here. Get over here. Come on. Ah! He's playing. He's playing. He wants to fight. Got him. Got him. I'll let you go. Look at that, guys. Number 12. We got 12 so far. Yeah. Ah, that's a moss bass. That's about 2.5, 3, right? Nice, Javi. It's a good one. All right, let me get my phone. I'll take a picture.
He's healthy.
Yeah, he's back.
That's a big back.
Did he? Take that out of here. Here, let me take a picture. Let me get one of you too.
That's funny.
Hell yeah.
And that 212, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Motherfucker smells
I like. Oh yeah?
like fish.
Smells like fish, pero tastes like chicken. Good shot, Javi. Yes, sir.
Not tired, hey.
Bam! There we go. Oh, that's doubling up right there. That's doubling up. Nice catch. Nice catch, man. Let me get that. Let me get that double up. Ready? Yeah, that'll do. Let's get that release. You want your picture? You want a picture, Michael?
No, I'm just gonna record.
All right. Good shot. All right. Good deal, Michael. Good deal, Javi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ladybird Lake. So that was 12, 13, 14. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
14. That's 14 so far. I thought I did, man. Man. Like, share, and subscribe. You already know. Short Dog Fishing. We're out of here.